Now I show you how to upload photos to Flickr a much more efficient way using the Flickr Uploader application. So we're going to go to the U menu and then click on Upload Photos. And this screen should look familiar. This is the way we uploaded photos when we first got into the tutorial. And now instead of going to Choose Photos, we are going to go down here to the Flickr Tools page, click on that. And the application that we're going to download is the Flickr Uploader 3.0 application, and we can see here that we had download options for our different operating systems. Since we have Windows XP, we're going to click here. We're going to say Run, and Next. We're going to say OK to the default destination folder, and yes, we want to create a desktop shortcut. So let's install. Okay, let's finish up here. Alright, we've downloaded the uploader program. Let's go ahead and minimize this. And we can see that on our desktop we have the Flickr uploader. Let's click on that. It takes a little bit to bring it up the first time. Okay, and now what we need to do is sign in. We need to let this application know what Flickr account we're using. So we say OK here, and this actually brings up our Flickr account, the Miller Family 0824 account with Flickr, and we can see that we've successfully authorized the application Flickr Uploader to use our account. So we're going to go ahead and close that since I already have Flickr open here. Minimize, and we're going to hit the big ready button. Okay, now we are ready to do an upload. Now let's see how to use the Flickr Uploader application. So the first thing we're going to do is set our preferences, and we first go to the Upload menu item. We'll choose Preferences. And what we want to do is automatically resize our large photos for faster uploading. And we're going to go ahead and pick the 2048 pixels, best for archiving option here. And you can see that we can also set some other default privacy options, safety levels, that sort of thing from this menu too. And so this is something that we just need to do once, and our preferences are set, and of course we can go through and change those at any time. Alright, let's pull up our Windows Explorer here and look in our Photos folder. And we notice that we have a couple of other photos that we need to upload. So I hold my left mouse button down and drag the photo into our editing box here. I can click on the photo, and I can see the title, which by default is the file name. And I can make this a little more descriptive, or treelet's pretty descriptive for that one. I can put in a description. 2007 Christmas tree. I could also add some tags here, and probably Christmas tree is a good tag for this. And this will help us later on when we get thousands of photos in our Flickr account to be able to find the photos that we want to look at. So I see my the sets that I've already created are down here, and so I can just add a set right here, or I could create a new set if I needed to. And over here you can see I can set some privacy settings, and I have some other options here. Okay, I'm going to go back over to my Windows Explorer here, and I'm going to hold my left mouse button down and drag another one of my photos over here, click into that, and again I see the title, Turkey Done, which is appropriate, and I'm going to go ahead and add this to my Thanksgiving set and leave the default settings. So now we're going to go ahead and upload the photos. And down here in the lower left hand corner we can see we have a status bar. We're uploading the photos to Flickr, and it lets me know the percentage complete. Alright, now the upload is complete, I have a couple of options. I can go to Flickr or stay here. I think I'm just going to stay here because I already have Flickr uploaded. I'm going to minimize these two things, and I'm going to bring up my Internet Explorer, and I can see I'm in the Your Photos section. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to refresh the screen to see my new photos, and there they are. The tree lit and turkey done photos are displayed in the Your Photos section. And I also see that my sets have been updated with new photos. I can click through on the Christmas set and I can see that yes, indeed, the Christmas tree photo is in the set. In this section, we've seen how to use the Flickr Uploader program. We started out in the Flickr Upload screen. From there, we click through to the Flickr Tool Page link, and we downloaded the Uploader program to our hard drive for our particular operating system. We went ahead and installed the Uploader program. Next, we authorized the Uploader program to use our new Flickr account. We modified the Uploader settings for a more efficient photo size. We added the title, tag, and set information for the photos that we uploaded right from within the Uploader application. And finally, we actually uploaded photos to our Flickr account with the Uploader program. So at this point, it'd be a great place to go ahead and pause this tutorial and go ahead and try this yourself with your own photos. Thank you for watching the Flickr Basic tutorial. Please close the media player now and return to the main menu for the next tutorial.